Now what we'll do, the coordinates of A are 0, 5, that we know. Now in order to find out the coordinates of B, we have to see this is the point of intersection of these two lines, you can see, which is x1 plus 2x2 is equal to 10, and this line which is equal to x1 plus x2 is equal to 6. So we have to solve these two linear equations simultaneously in order to find out the value of B. What we'll do, in order to find out the value of point B, we'll solve the equations of these two lines. This B is the point of intersection of these two lines. Now what are these two lines? First is x1 plus 2x2 is equal to 10, and the other is x1 plus x2 is equal to 6. Now in order to solve it, what we'll do, we'll subtract this equation from this. So we'll change the sign. So what will happen? This will cancel out. So 2x2 minus x2 will be equal to x2. This will be equal to 4. So the value of x2 is equal to 4. Now we'll put this value of x2 is equal to 4 in any of these two equations. If we put it in the second equation, if x2 is equal to 4, then x1 is obviously 2. So the coordinates of B are 2, 4. This is how we found out 2, 4 are the coordinates of B. So we'll write here 2, 4. Now the next thing is to find out the coordinates of point C. Now here we can see this point C is the point of intersection of two lines. One is this line with the equation x1 plus x2 is equal to 6, and the other is this x1 minus x2 is equal to 2. So in order to find the coordinates of C, we need to solve these two equations. So the first equation is x1 plus x2 is equal to 6, and the other equation is x1 minus x2 is equal to 2. So we'll simply add these. X1 plus x1 will give 2x1. This will cancel out, is equal to 8. So obviously x1 is equal to 4. Now what we'll do, we'll put this x1 equal to 4 in the second equation. So if x1 is equal to 4, so obviously x2 will be equal to 2. So the coordinates of C are 4, 2. And now remains, so we'll put the coordinates of C is equal to 4, 2. And now we need to find out the coordinates of D. Now here you can see D is the point of intersection of these two lines. So we need to solve these two lines simultaneously. So what are these two lines? In order to find out the coordinates of D, these two lines are x1 minus x2 is equal to 2, and the other one is x1 minus x2 is equal to 2, and x1 minus 2x2 is equal to 1. So what we'll do, we'll subtract this equation from this equation. So we'll have to change the sign. This will become minus, this will become plus, and this will become minus. This will cancel out. So minus x2 plus 2x2 will give x2, and this will be equal to 1. So it means the value of x2 is equal to 1. Now if we put this value of x2 here 1, we get x1 is equal to 1. So the coordinates of D are 1, 1. So we'll write here 1, 1. And the coordinates of E are very clear. This line passes through 1, 0. So the coordinates of E are 1, 0.